So it is no secret that I love the second generation Toyota Tacomas. They're just old enough to not be crammed full of gimmicks and features, but the downside is they do lack some modern amenities like Android Auto or Apple CarPlay. This is a 2010 Toyota Tacoma that my brother-in-law Taylor just purchased. We're gonna get him an upgrade. Wah! This is the exact same Idoing head unit that I installed in my Tacoma to prove how easy these are to install in like any Tacoma. I'm not gonna help.
This is gonna be fun.
So here's the deal.
All right.
You got 30 minutes to install that. Otherwise, I'm gonna keep it.
What?
Somebody give me a hammer.
Brought to you in part by Cranbrook Toyota. Sam's got the timer going. They're really nice head units. They come with the trim around them, so they fit like a factory head unit.
I've learned that it looks pretty slick, but I don't know how to get the old one out of it. I think that you probably pry to begin with, but I don't know where you pry. And this is gonna be an all-day thing, because I would assume you get in here and you pull this out, right? Hello?
Once you figure out how to take it apart, you're laughing.
I think that's the hardest part.
Was there instructions?
I didn't bother to look. No, I don't think so. What do we got? Keep prying any longer, it's gonna come out in pieces. Time for a crowbar. We have progress! Somebody get me a socket.
Did you figure it out?
We're making progress.
So, a little bit of time has passed, and he's just now getting at the bolts to get the head unit off. I thought this was gonna be a lot easier for him than it is. Hopefully he makes time. Oh!
Boom! I'm running out of time over here. If I want to keep this thing, I gotta go base model, no bells and whistles, and figure out where everything plugs in.
What he's talking about is this thing comes with all sorts of bells and whistles. Like, there's a 4G antenna if you want to put a SIM card in it and have service on that all the time. There's a GPS antenna, so that if you don't want to use your Android Auto or Apple CarPlay GPS, you can use GPS straight in the head unit. There's another microphone you can add, which is also not required because there's a microphone built right into that head unit. So for now, he's just plugging it in and seeing where things go.
Trying to. Oh, let's see what we got.
Hey,
look at that. Done, installed. Oh. As everyone knows, when you're installing a new piece of electrical equipment, ooh, these are gonna strip. You want to plug in just enough to get power, and then test it, make sure it works, and then come back and do all the brackets.
You have 11 minutes left, Tay.
That's maybe lots of time. This guy wants to let go. See how I only did one of these? Because I knew.
You knew it was gonna be in the way.
It was gonna be hey, look how slick that is.
Yeah, it's like factory, it's nice.
Oh, that's nice.
So while Taylor's back there struggling to move the clips and the clock over onto his head unit, me and Phoenix are here to show you one of our favorite features with the Idoing deck. And that is that this is a full-on Android operating system built right into the deck, so you can use the Play Store and download your favorite apps. One of those being the sponsor for today's video, Onyx Off-Road. Onyx is an off-road navigational app that we use all the time when we're out wheeling. You can see here, even in our local area, there's all sorts of mapped out roads and trails. And it gives you all the important information you need, like distance, technical rating, the highest point, the lowest point, total elevation gain, and the vehicles that each trail is accessible by, with some photos with a whole description on the trail, so that you can get all the information you need to be prepared to hit the trails. And of course, you got features like Go and Trek, which leave a breadcrumb trail everywhere that you have driven so that you can find your way back home. And if you're going somewhere and you're not sure there's going to be service, you can just use the offline mapping mode, set where you're going to be driving, and save it. And of course, you don't need this fancy head unit in your vehicle to use Onyx Off-Road. It works on your smartphone too. And if you're interested in checking out Onyx Off-Road yourself, I got a link that'll save you a little bit of money in the description below. Anyways, let's go see how Taylor's doing.
You have a minute, Tay.
I have 2 minutes.
Less than 1 minute left, and the head unit's back out of the truck.
No, it's not.
Oh no.
Timer's going off.
Done. Time.
I was like, perfect.
There's no way that was legit.
That was crazy. The timer just went off.
There's no way that was legit. Something funny's happening here.
No,
Somebody cheated.
it wasn't me.
He just waited for him to slap it together and then started the timer again.
I was legit.
Well, congrats, Taylor. You won.
It was easy.
A new stereo. You got it done in just under half an hour.
Well, if I
Allegedly.
hadn't spent so much time goofing off,
Yeah, right.
then I could have done it in 5.
What are you listening to?
For the first time in forever.
I'm gonna kill that real quick. Steering wheel controls.
The hardest part was the time, the 30 minutes. As soon as you say you're on a time limit, your brain turns off.
Aesthetically and functionally,
Oh, it's awesome. It looks way better. Hands-free, Android Auto, maps.
and it works with the factory steering wheel controls, which we just set up with it. So it's awesome.
Yeah.
I think you're gonna like it. And thanks to Sam cheating.
No.
No. No.
This is all above board. This was clean.
It's very legit.
I did it in 29 minutes and 59 seconds. A buzzer beater.
I had nothing to do with it. But I mean, either way, it's Taylor's. Oh! Just,
Bye-bye.
well, I guess there's no reverting back to stock ever.
I'm committed, man. It's this one or I buy another one of this.
Fair enough. It is a solid unit, and that thing just it doesn't do anything.
It's old.
Now the very last step, except I can't do it while holding a camera. Oh, there we go. Whoop. Well, that's about it for this episode, guys. And don't worry, even though Sam cheated
No.
to get Taylor that stereo, it was his. I would have just negotiated a high five for him to keep it or something anyways. There was no real stakes here. If you guys are interested in picking up one of those head units for yourself, I got a link in the description below. Don't forget to check out Onyx Off-Road. And of course, if you can do us a huge favor, hit that thumbs up button and hey, consider subscribing. We upload weekly Toyota, building, and off-road content. Anyways, we'll catch you in the next one. Peace.